Very large 2 bedrooms and 2 full bath condo unit overlooking beautiful lake views and natural wildlife at Butterfly World Park. Immaculate super clean condition stainless steel appliances, glass top stove, walk-in closet, central air conditioner, split floor plan, full-size washer and dryer, corner unit, elevator. Building rent includes water, sewer and basic cable. Landlord requires first, last and security and over 650 FICO credit. Included are also township amenities, Olympic-size pool, tennis, fitness room, library, racquetball. No pickup trucks, motorcycle and no pets. No smoking per condo. ASSN.